Okay, so I asked someone, "What are you doing?" And they said, "Yes."
Seriously? That answer doesn't make any sense.
I know. It really threw me off.
We're here to fix that. Today we're learning simple English questions you can use every day.
Great. I really need help.
Welcome to Learn English with Jake and Emma. English questions usually start with words like what, where, when, why, and how.
And sometimes my brain stops working when I mix them up.
No problem. We'll keep it simple. Let's learn 5 easy questions you can use every day.
I'll try to keep up.
This question means, what's happening with you right now? For example, are you working, eating, watching TV, or maybe taking a nap?
I'm usually doing all those things at the same time.
For you, that sounds about right. This question helps you find out where someone is, like maybe at home, at school, at the store, or on the bus.
Emma called me and asked me this last week, right in the middle of my friend's wedding. How rude is that?
Well, why did you answer the phone?
Oh yeah, good point.
This question means, what time does it start?
I ask you this every time we do anything.
And my answer is always, 20 minutes ago. You're late. This question means, what's the reason you're unhappy right now?
I had to ask this question earlier today.
Because you ate my breakfast taco.
It looked lonely. What was I supposed to do?
Stay away from my taco. That's a good start. This means you don't know a word or phrase and need help. You can ask things like, how do you say when someone is not on time?
Oh, I know this one. You say they're late.
Especially if their name is Jake.
Very funny.
Now let's learn 5 quick phrases.
These are good to use when you're asking or answering questions.
I have a question.
You want to ask something.
I don't understand.
You're confused.
Can you repeat that?
You want them to say it again.
That's a good question.
The question is smart or interesting.
Let me think.
You need a moment to answer.
Good job, Jake.
Thank you. I'm a natural.
After all those hours practicing in the mirror, you'd better be. Repeat after me.
Okay, I'm ready.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Where are you?
Where are you?
When do we start?
When do we start?
Why are you upset?
Why are you upset?
How do you say this?
How do you say this?
Great job! You're starting to sound really natural. Now, let's do one more quick review of today's key words.
What, where, when, why, and how.
And our phrases.
I have a question. I don't understand. Repeat that. Good question. And let me think.
See, the more you practice, the easier it gets.
I have one more question.
Okay, let's hear it.
When can we eat?
Now. We're done.
Yes, perfect timing.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.